Now the picture is so rough, you can feel so rough. Then we will cover lacquer on it and polish. We have picture in here, just lacquer polish first time. So after that they will filling, lining, polishing 3 times more until the surface should be flat and smooth. Then the artist he will coloring to complete the whole design. Then lacquer polish again. Ladies and gentlemen, next step over there. So here, look at this man, what he's doing. He uses all the little pieces of mother of pearl, covered full of inside like that. We have the cross made by seashell and they're made by duck shell. And this the point here. The picture of Buddha made by the eggshell here. But for eating that picture, we have to grind the shell. Grind the duck eggshell by the machine in here to make 5 different ways of the powder. You can take a look. The powder, the different ways here. Alright. About this picture. We use the eggshell also. But then you know the duck eggshell is white.
Why?
But on the picture looks different. Here, this artist, she had to burn the shell on the fire to get a different color.
Brown.
Picture of the tiger like that. Ladies and gentlemen, the next step over there. This product, here, needs a little bit of talent, patience, a lot of patience, a lot of it. Here we use mother of pearl. Sea shell. So the big shell here is so thick, then at first we cut the shell by this way. Then polish on the wedge stone until the shell should be more thinner. Then he used a hand saw that cut the shell into something like this. Very sharp, very tiny. Then we will stick them on the surface together like that. A picture with many pieces of mother of pearl together. And it will filling, lighting, and polishing until the surface flat. And it will polish, carving to complete the whole design.
Ikas kasi. Ito man dito man nariga.
Ladies and gentlemen, so look at that. Is it covering the lacquer oil on the padding? After that, we put that on there, wait to dry 3 days, then polish, sanding, polish. We use the wedge stone or sandpaper for sanding, polish. That's why Vietnamese call cancer mine, because from beginning to finish we have lacquer and polish it 22 times, 22 layers. And final step that we have there.
Oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, so in the final step we always use car polish, car cream for shining, and we just use the palm rubbing polish. The picture should be
Million
about
ba adi?
Ayun, adi.
that's short. And this picture takes about 3 months from beginning to finish. Ladies and gentlemen, we are running Discovery just to help all the research artists here. A lot of them have product in like someone have one have one.
Ayun. Ayun,
We
gano'n.
sell here only, we don't sell outside, we don't sell in market, only sell retail here. And 50% of the price we will send to the research artist for the salary and health insurance. Now you can take a look inside, look around, and if you like, you can buy something for someone. So enjoy it. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Welcome our show. The foreign side.